artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we are drawing Quaxly from Pokemon. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, little artist, today Mateo is here with me. Mateo, you wanna say hi?
Hello.
Mateo and I were gonna draw one of the new Pokemon, the newest Pokemon, Quaxly, and I hope you like this lesson. We're gonna start this picture in the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna go up and we're gonna draw the top of the peak. So we're gonna go over our finger with a curve, okay? That's gonna be the top of the peak. Good. Now we're gonna do another curve that goes on the other side. So we're just gonna curve and connect to the other side. Now in the middle, we're gonna leave a little bit of a space here, and we're gonna do a little line. Then we leave a little bit of a space on the other side, and then we do a little line. And then we're gonna connect both lines doing a curve that goes up really lightly and goes back down. Now on top of this line, we're gonna do two little dots for his nostrils, okay? Now we're gonna leave a space here for the eyes, and we're gonna draw his hair. He has like a big hair, right? So we're gonna do a line, almost a line to this part of the peak and this part of the peak. And it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna curve like this, okay? And make sure that you're leaving a space here between the hair and the peak or the eyes.
It's like double finger space?
Yeah, kind of like double finger space. Good job. Now we're gonna draw the eyes, and they are half of an oval shape. So on this side, I'm gonna do half of an oval shape like this. And on this side, I'm gonna do, again, a half of an oval shape. And inside, we should have room to draw an oval shape here on this side. And it's a complete oval shape. And that's the part that we're gonna leave white when we start coloring. Next, we're gonna do kind of like two curves on the sides of the eyes. We're gonna do two curves right on the sides of the eyes. So one curve here and one curve here. And do not touch the peak. Good job. Now we're gonna finish the head. So for the hair that he has on the front, we're gonna do two curves, like one and then one a little bigger, two, okay? Little and bigger. And before we can finish the head, we're gonna do, in this side, we're gonna go in a little, and then we're gonna do a line a little angle to the left. Now from this line, I'm gonna come down, curve, and go in. Good job. Now on this side, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna kind of like come, curve, and go down. So it's gonna come down, curve, and go down. And we're passing really close to the peak, leaving a space open. Good job. Now that we have the head, we can finish the hair. So we're gonna do first down here a little, and we're gonna do a curve to the left. Now I want to do a curve here up. Perfect. And now we're gonna do a big curve around, and it's gonna start from this point. I'm gonna go curving around. Make sure they go over this curve that we did here, and I want to connect to the other side.
Bro, mine is like Elvis. Elvis.
Elvis Quaxly?
Yeah, Elvis Quaxly.
Yeah, that's so
I
funny.
changed his name.
Okay, now let's continue with the body. So we're gonna go down here where the peak is, and we're gonna draw like another feather that he has there with a big letter U, or like a letter U shape. Let's do a little bit of a neck, and we're gonna do a line here. And we're gonna start doing the wings. So the wings on this side, on the left side, is gonna come down. And then we're gonna do a line to the left, and then start curving like here, curve. Here we're gonna do a second wing. We're gonna go in, and we're gonna curve and go in. And now we're gonna go up from this point like this, up. Perfect. Now his body on the bottom looks like really round and it has two curves. So we're gonna do the first one is go curve up and then goes down again and curve up, and make sure that you leave an open space here. Leave an open space here. Okay, good job. Now the second wing is gonna come from this line, little line that we did here for the neck. We're gonna curve, and when we get close to the body, we're gonna stop. This wing is kind of like he got it on his hips. So we're gonna have a curve here and connect with the wing. Good job. The last details, we're gonna do the two legs. So we're gonna do two little lines for each leg. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, they are short. And then on this side, again, 1, 2, also short. And now we're gonna do the heels first. So we're gonna do kind of like a backwards letter C, and in this side, I'm doing a letter C.
Peacock, peacock.
Good job. Now we're gonna do a curve on this side. So I'm gonna go down and a curve on this side, down. And now we have the last curve we're gonna do here. So it's kind of like longer and connect here.
Okay, now we're gonna do the patita. It's gonna go longer here.
Good job.
Oh, look.
Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing here. Curve long, come back.
Mine looks like Elvis combined with a duck combined with an elf.
And the last thing we're gonna do here, a curve and a curve, kind of like to mark the two little fingers there. And there, that's it. We finished this character of Pokemon, right? Pokemon Scarlet and
Violet.
yeah. And now my
Violet.
favorite part is coming, and that is
Let's color, but before we do,
whoosh. Okay, let's go. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our Quaxly turned out with the colors. We tried to find exactly the tones of blue that he uses, so at the end we used 3 tones. The first one is really light to give this shade here on the body, and here we use 2 tones of blue. One is darker than the other. The other thing we did here is with the yellows, we also used a lighter yellow on the top and a darker on the bottom of the beak. And that's how our characters turn out. What do you think, Mateo?
it's awesome.
You did a great job. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.